One of the interesting things about outdoor and adventure education is the way that we try and blend the theory and the practice. It's quite easy to get practical activities and it's quite easy to have lots of lectures. But what's a challenge is to bring the theory to life and also provide theoretical background to all that practical. And that's one of the nice things that we do here, is try and blend those two things. We do that through having lots of practicals every week, delivered by the teaching team.
The tutors are lovely people. Our course is very small, so we know each other very well. And they always keep in contact with you to see how you're doing, and it's just nice, and you can learn a lot from them because they're all very good at what they're doing, whether it's skiing or kayaking or climbing, so you can learn a lot.
We try to introduce lots of different sports, so we have kind of land-based modules where we look at kind of climbing, we do a bit of mountain biking, get the opportunity to go and do some like BMXing, some contemporary stuff too, which is really fun. But then there's also the water side where we get to do canoeing, kayaking. We're in a great location with the beach nearby, so we have surfboards, we've got stand-up paddle boards, we've got loads and loads of options.
Equipment's great. I mean, we've got everything, like a climb wall just here, we've got another one outside, we've got kayaks, surfboards, canoes, pretty much everything you can think of, like camping gear, we've all got it.
We have this place called Stores, which is like a big container full of all the boats, boards, paddles, like safety equipment, anything you could want. We get free use of it all. Even when we're not in lectures, you can hire stuff out and keep it for a few days, which is great. So yeah, full use of all of that.
One of the key things that you recognise almost straight away when you get to Chichester is how friendly everybody is. And that's one of the reasons that students feel like they belong here, with a strong sense of community. So within the outdoor and adventure education course, students get along closely, they spend a lot of time together in lectures and practicals, but also outside, so students can use any of the equipment that we've got here to go out with their friends, develop those skills.
Quite a unique part of the degree here at Chichester is their placement year. So it's a 4-year degree, and on their 3rd year they go out and they develop their skills in their chosen field. And what I like about that is it's orientated and it's driven by them.
The main thing that they're going to gain is through that placement year, putting everything that they've learned into practice, and then in that 4th year coming back and reflecting, okay, well, this is where I was at the beginning of my journey, this is how I've now improved, and where is that journey going to take me? And the opportunities are endless with this degree.
For outdoor and adventure education, you have so many opportunities given to you. You can keep all the doors open, you can do all the sports you want, you can do common sports as well at the same time, and the adventure sports. Everything's very safe, but you can challenge yourself. People are so enthusiastic about what they do, they're more than happy to help you, and you can learn from your course and your lecturers at the same time. So yeah, you're definitely in the right place.